snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on
What's the hap, YouTube? Hope your day is just fantastic. My name is Ryder and we have a great video planned for you today. You've blown out of your mind both mentally and physically.
Okay, as always, I will list each and every material and the exact amount needed. Okay, for the base, we will use fresh cut of Britain. Okay, this is going to be the only strong coloring in the solution, so this end product should be exactly the same deep red as you see here. Another key ingredient in this solution is this hint of blue, or the French, as you may see. Also, you will need 5 milliliters of heavily processed Manifest Destiny. And as you see here, you also need 1 singular railroad that should connect all. Besides that, all you need is 7 other colonies. We'll get onto that later in this video. With no more further ado, let's get sciencing.
Okay, step 1, add Britain into the landmass. Okay, once you got a nice even pour, place it back. Now, add France. You're not gonna need full France, but use a generous amount. You're gonna wait just a few seconds just for it to congeal just a little bit. And you're going to mix the 2 colonies together. The freshly combined colony, you have the province of Canada. You are ready, you will bring it to a burner. Make sure this step is nice and carefully and take your time. I cannot enunciate that more clearly. Take your time on this step.
You will see as tensions rise between France and Britain begins to bubble. Once you think that this is at its max, it is not. Take some Manifest Destiny, as you see right here, and you just want to dump that. Give it a shake, dump it into the mixture. There you go. In the mixture, grab your stir, as you saw before, and you're going to want to give that a really nice stir. See how it still has that reddish color? It's a little more orange now, but you're going to see all these little clumps. These may seem like they're getting in your way, but really, they've been there all along. It looks like it's burning. It's about to burn. I think time is at its end. But then, the sizzle of the coalition government is added. The temperature immediately comes to cool, and the 2 warring alliances come together to save the solution. Now I can keep stirring this until it becomes a more gel-like consistency. Okay, you're done. This is when it gets fun. So now take this liquid, which is more of a gel right now, since it's still congealed. The tension is still there, but it's become much more easy to work with. Now, time to unite Canada.
So, dump this into your trusty blender. You don't want to take all of it, leave some of it, but you want to make sure that most of it gets in there. However much you think is necessary, see how much? Now, grab the rest of your ingredients. So I haven't been talking about the steps as much, but you can catch what goes after what. So, take your trusty railway, as you see here, and you're going to pour the different colonies in with each other.
In this order: Province of Canada, as I've dumped in here, Nova Scotia, Morton, New Brunswick,
and grab a little bit of Rupert's Land. So now it is leaking. Then grab Northwest Territories, very similar milky, creamy substance. Now British Columbia, PEI, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and finally the long-awaited Newfoundland and Labrador. They denied that Confederation a really long time ago, but they're back for some more, and let's add them to Confederation. That is your Confederation you've been looking for. And now, we're not done yet. We still gotta make that final product. Put that lid on. We will start to blend for 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay. A little time lapse was put on there. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Done. And look what the beautiful substance you have. So I'm gonna take my trusty railroad top, scoop a little out. You'll see that is a creamy, creamy substance. This is when things get crazy. Put the solution back in the original land mass. Alright, and you wanna take that railroad, smack that in there. You may need to use your hands if necessary, only if necessary. And once this is done, look at it, creamy, perfect, amazing. Take it, and I'll put it in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. See you in 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, it has been 20 to 30 minutes and this should be incredible. I'm going to take it out of the freezer. You will see, still looks pretty much the same. Well, there you have it. But you must be thinking, Ryder, how could you make me sit through the entire, nearly 10-minute video only to make a piece of frozen rubbish? Well, this isn't just any rubbish.
This is
Confederation Creame. Or, since this is French, la crème de confédération. Let's try it out.